Good morning, class. Myself Pooja Kushwaha, and I'm your science teacher. Let's continue the same chapter, lesson 2, components of food. Yesterday, I gave you a homework that is to find out sources of different vitamins and minerals. And your answer is here. You can cross check your answers or your findings by this answer. Okay. We know that there are many types of vitamins and mineral. I have told you earlier. So one by one, if we look one by one, then vitamin A first. Carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, eggs, mangoes, etc. These are the sources of vitamin A, same as vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex. I'm not going to tell you the one by one of the sources of vitamin B1, B2, B6 likewise. Just B complex. So you will get B complex in meat, fish, legumes, whole grains, poultry, etc. Okay, in poultry, etc. Now come on the vitamin C. Vitamin C we get from in citrus food. Citrus foods like lemon, oranges, Beside this, we get vitamin C in tomatoes, potatoes, etc. Okay. Now come on the vitamin C. Vitamin D is synthesized in our body also with the help of sunlight. Some sources of vitamin D is cereals like wheat, rice, and fortified milk. Okay. Next is vitamin E. Vitamin E we get from vegetable oils in whole grains, in nuts, etc. Okay. Now last one, that is vitamin K. The main sources of vitamin K is cabbage, eggs, milk, etc. Okay. Now let's talk about the sources of minerals. Some minerals which are very important for our body is calcium, magnesium, chloride. These are the names of minerals. Okay. Sodium, etc. Let's talk about their sources. The sources of calcium is all the milk and milk products will be the good source of calcium. So here you can go with the yogurt, cheese, etc. Magnesium you get in the vegetables, especially leafy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, etc. Chloride we get from the salt, different kinds of salt, and sodium by salt and soy sauce, vegetables, etc. Okay, you can take the screenshot also and check your findings by matching this answer also. Okay, now come on the today's topic. You know that most food items usually have more than one nutrient. You may have noticed this when you eat something, or when you try to find out the content of the nutrients in the same very same food. But one particular nutrient, okay, uh, one particular nutrient may be present may be present in much larger quantity. Quantity means amount. Much larger quantity than the others. Than the others. I will explain it with the example also. Okay. Suppose that, or you can say that, for example, rice has more carbohydrate or starch, more carbohydrate than any other nutrient in it. Thus we can say that it is carbohydrate rich source of food. Carbohydrate rich. Okay, beside these nutrients, our body needs dietary fibers and water also. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Okay, it is very important for our body. So dietary fibers are also known as roughage. What it is called? Yes, it is called roughage. Roughage is mainly provided by plant products in our foods: whole grains and pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits, vegetables. These are the resource of roughage. In example, we can say that fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Roughage does not provide any nutrient. You can also remember this. This is the component of food that does not provide us any nutrient. Does not provide any nutrient to our body, but it is essential component of food, and we should add it into our food in bulk. Bulk means in more quantity. Why this is important? Because this helps our body get rid of get rid of undigested food. Undigested food. Get rid of undigested food means it helps in the cleaning or proper digestion. It also helps in proper digestion. We need roughage for it. Okay. After the roughage, we need water also as our main component of food. It also doesn't provide any nutrient to our body, but it is very necessary. And you all know that our body contains about 70% of water. Why water is so important for us? Because water helps our body to absorb nutrients from the food. Okay, you can say that water is important, plays very important role in our body functioning. As you are seeing that our blood is also in a liquid form. Okay, so water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Without water, we are not able to absorb the nutrients that we are eating by our food. It also helps in throwing out some wastes from our body as urine and sweat. Normally, we get most of the water that our body needs from the liquid we drink. For example, you can say that water, we need 6 to 8 glass of water in our daily diet. Milk, juice, tea, etc. Okay, in addition, we add water to most cooked foods also. When when we are cook rice, we add some water in it. Same as in pulses, we add water. In vegetables, we add water. So these water also is the part of our food. Our next topic will be balanced diet, but we will discuss it tomorrow or continue from here. Okay, till now, watch this video very carefully, and your homework is to find out some names of the food materials that contains water in it. Okay, I'm giving you a very easy task to do. You can find it very easily, and for your help, I can suggest one name like tomato. Same as tomato, you can find out some more food materials that contains water in it, a good quantity of water in it. Okay, you can take the screenshot of it if you want to take. Okay, thank you for watching class. See you tomorrow.